It's chocolate contentment, and this is piece of, and this is the monster truck.
Yeah, show him the monster truck. Hold it up. Who is it?
They mud.
Is it? It's Monster Mutt, isn't it?
It's monster mud.
Yes, he loves monster trucks. And tell him about the fire truck. What do we have?
A fire truck.
Oh, what else comes in the fire set? Oh, so special. Do you like it?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with all this stuff?
Don't know. Maybe we should find out.
You're going to find out? Good job. Can you say thank you for my birthday gifts?
Thank you for my birthday gift.
Oh, do you like them?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. He's so excited. He has a police set and a fire set and a monster truck. Yes. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Blow him kisses. Too busy.